What up, y'all? At the pull back up for another one, man. Yeah. One-stop drip shop. You know what I mean? Cafe the Drip Car. We here, man. Another unboxing from the band. Matter of fact, this ain't even an unboxing from the bando. We ain't even in the bando right now. This ain't an unboxing from the bando. Pardon me, y'all. We ain't in the bando. But we still popping big shit. Still kicking big shit. You know what I'm saying? We got some Prada here today for y'all. If y'all couldn't tell already, like this shit written all over this motherfucker. You feel me? This shirt right here, this shit cost about 30 merch shirts right here. This is a good pickup though. Check the details on this shit, you know what I mean? A lot of details, shit crazy. This type of work, this shit gonna run you $1,200. That's before taxes, you feel what I'm saying? As to taxes, sheesh. But yeah, man, this how we rocking right here. This shit fire right here. This one of the best shirts from the bowling shirts they got this year, in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? This the best one. I probably like one other one. I'm gonna do this shit right here with the Strange Loves, the SBs, the Nike SB Dunks, Strange Loves. I'm gonna body that shit with these. You know what I mean? Shit gonna be calm. Shit gonna be calm. I'm gonna flip this bitch around. I'll give y'all a taste of the back and shit. See if it's some extra details on the back. Seeing if they doing it a little bit different on the back. We got a couple more different things on the back. Shout out to Prada, man. They doing it big. A lot of details. I like, you know what I'm saying? If you're gonna pay a lot for a shirt, make sure that company giving you a lot of details, man. Don't be fucking paying a wild money for some bullshit. This shit right here, I ain't gonna necessarily say it was worth the $1,200, but this shit was worth the $1,200, man. It's a fire ass shirt. You feel me? You know a lot of motherfuckers ain't gonna have it. So I appreciate y'all stopping in. This was like an impromptu little drip session right here. I was about to throw this shit the fuck on, but I said, damn, I be giving y'all a lot of merch. I don't never give y'all the shit, the high-end shit that I be wearing. So yeah, it took some time out before I get dressed and shit. I did this one for y'all, you heard? Or I'm about this shit though, man. Appreciate y'all. Oh yeah, what I be saying at the end, do that YouTube shit niggas be telling y'all to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Fuck with a real nigga, man. Or we blowing bags up here to bring it to y'all, you feel me? Alright, man. Y'all niggas stay up. Stay up.